जो अपने कदमों की काबिलियत पर विश्वास रखते हैं वो ही अक्सर मंजिल पर पहुंचा करते हैं. Hello everyone, myself Vishali here to share my views on the topic motivation. Most of the people want to change at least one thing in their life, but it can be challenging to find the motivation just to make a start. It helps you to understand what motivation means to you so that you can find your own ways to get motivated. Now, the question arises, what is motivation? Motivation is the drive to achieve your goals or needs. It is influenced by mainly three factors. First, how much you want the goal. Second, what will you gain? And third, your personal expectations. So, why is motivation important? Motivation is important because it provides you with the goals to work towards, helps you to solve the problems, helps you to change the old habits, helps you to cope up with the challenges and opportunities. So, most of the people struggle with motivation, but it is even more challenging if you have mental health issues such as depression or anxiety. Here are some tips. Set yourself one specific achievable goal. Think about how to include that in your life, what you need to do to make it happen, and then put a time frame on it, such as a week. Break your goal into small, easy tasks and set regular reminders. And use your family and friends as a support. Tell them about your goals and encourage them to help and keep you motivated. So, ways to keep on track on the way to motivation are: make your goal part of your routine by using a diary or an app for reminders. Positive self talk. Positive self talk is important and effective in managing depression or anxiety. Instead of saying I can't, say I can try. Mindfulness helps you to keep you relaxed and focused. And start a class, join a support group. Support groups can be as effective as the professional help is. Reward yourself when you have completed a step or a goal. So, ways to stay motivated are: regularly review your goals and progress. Seeing progress is a great motivator in itself and also improves your self esteem. Continue to set new goals. Think about what you want to achieve next week, next month, and the next year. Take one goal at a time so that you don't feel overwhelmed. Keep the momentum up. It takes up to 3 months to develop a new habit. So, keeping the momentum and the routine intact help it feel it more automatic over time. Find mentors. A mentor is someone who is experienced in the habit you want to change. Finding social or support groups with the same interest can help you find a mentor. Surround yourself with the positive people, as positive friends and family enhance your positive self talk, which also helps to manage the symptoms of depression and anxiety. Also, use exercise as one of your daily goals to improve your mental health. Now, what to do if you lose motivation? Setbacks are normal, but developing resilience can help you carry on and pick up where you left off. Remember that it can take up to 3 months to form a new habit. Here are some tips to help you to find your motivation again. Review your goals and see if they are realistic in the time frame you have set. You may need time to break your goal down further into smaller and more achievable goals. Remember why you wanted to get motivated or reach that goal in first place. Take motivation from others. Feel inspired by others by reading a book, by talking to your mentor, family, friends, whoever has reached similar goals to the ones you have set. Also, sometimes you just need to take a break. Means take a break and start afresh, a new beginning. If you are struggling to get motivated, talk to someone you trust or a counselor you can provide help to use useful strategies. If you have mental health illness, you may be eligible for a mental health care plan and which can help you with the cost of counseling. Your doctor can help you with this. You want a bookmark and revisit the motivation skills and do the task as decided. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that अभी तो बाज की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो बाज की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो इस परिंदे का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी तो बाज की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो इस परिंदे का इम्तिहान बाकी है, अभी अभी मैंने लांगा है समुद्रों को, अभी अभी मैंने लांगा है समुद्रों को, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है. So friends, don't quit and stay motivated.